Hello, this is California Trains. I'm going to show you some features to an HO scale train. If you're a starter with HO scale, you should probably be using this video. You're probably familiar with this controller here. Well, you know the direction, forward, backward. That controls the speed. You're gonna do different features on this one. So, see how this light bulb, there's a light bulb right here? So look, see, when I push this yellow button right here, function, and then I push the one with the light bulb under it, 10, that light goes on. And now it looks good. Now I'm going to show you another feature. Uh-oh. Train got stuck. This is what you get. This is what you do when a train gets off the track and derailed. Just get it back on, no problem. That's one of the best parts about these HO scale trains is they normally don't spark. I'm going to show you another feature. It's called the stop button. It's this red button here. So what you do now? So if it's time for another train and it's an emergency, I push the stop button and it stops automatically. And then, so I push it again, and it starts going. So if you're ever heading to a situation like this one, you can always do this. Whoa. And also, if you're heading for a situation like that, you can do this. So you can watch the controller. Oh. Just push the button. Here it is again. You can also push the direction button. That's a faster way of getting away, but just another way. These are without sound, and they're DCC, of course, because they have lights. There's nothing else. All that you should know is that when you have the function button on, it'll flash, and you can't push any other number. See, look, I'm pushing 8. Doesn't happen. When I push function again, it stops and it goes to 8. So just remember, that's how you stop your train quickly. That is how you change directions. That's how you do lights. Function and 10 are lights. And these are how you change the locomotive. Look at that. That's how you change your locomotive. That's all I needed to say today. Hope you had a good time watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.